say it like this. Have you practiced speaking yet? If not, please first check the video with the same name. In this video, say what you remember from the previous video out loud. Now, are you ready? Let's go! It's snowing.
Is it coming down hard?
No, we're just getting flurries. I don't think it will pile up. But still, watch out when you walk down the street. There might be some slush.
Mom, what is this? Is our car frozen?
No, honey, it's just frost.
What is frost?
Frost is when water freezes on a surface.
What do we do? Can we go home?
Of course, don't worry. The frost will melt once the heater gets going.
You have to drive carefully. The roads will be slippery. Be on the lookout for black ice.
Well, don't worry. I think the snow will thaw as soon as it hits the ground.
Mom, may I go outside and play with Jake and Bebe?
Yes, of course.
Can they come over later when we're done outside?
Okay. Make sure you dress warmly. Are you going out like that? You have to bundle up or you might catch a cold. Why don't you wear the new winter coat that we bought last month?
I'll get too hot in that coat.
Nonsense. It snowed a lot out there. You'll be cold if you wear so little. If you don't want to put that coat on, at least put on a few more layers.
Fine, I'll go get the coat.
Don't forget your gloves and scarf. Did you have fun? Brush off all the snow on the porch, kids. Gosh, we have to clear that snow. Otherwise, the neighbors could get hurt. They might slip on the ice.
Wow, it really came down. The snow is heaped up. I will jump into it. I will be the first one to make footprints.
Jake speaking.
Hi, Jake. It's Nick. There's a lot of snow outside. Why don't we go out and make a snowman?
Well, I don't know, dude. I'm a bit tired.
Oh, come on. We don't know when it'll snow again. We can't let it go to waste.
Who else is coming?
Ava is coming too. I know you have a crush on her.
Hey, I said it's a secret. Don't let it get around.
So, are you coming or not?
Okay, I'll go.
Hey!
Hey.
Hi, guys. This is good packing snow.
All right. We can make a big snowman today.
Oh, I might freeze to death. My teeth are chattering. My feet are frozen.
Stop being such a baby. Just move around a bit. Your body will warm up.
Roll the snowball.
Heh. I should chuck this one at Ava.
What are you doing? Aren't you supposed to be making a snowman? Huh. You want to play this way, huh? I'm gonna destroy you.
Now the snowman's complete.
I think it needs eyes, a nose, and a mouth.
Here they are. Branches are standard.